Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn one new topic, and the name of the topic is Months of the Year. Months of the Year. Children, what is this? Yes, this is a calendar. You might have seen it at your home, right? Yes. Children, tell me, what do we see in this calendar? Yes, we see month, year, days and dates. Okay. Now children, tell me, which month is going on? Yes, this is February month. Which month? February month. Yes. And which year? 2021. 2021. Children, what is today's date? 3rd. 3 February. 3rd. Yes. And day? Today's day is Wednesday. Today's day is Wednesday. Okay. Now children, do you know how many months are there in a year? Yes? Okay, let's see. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. Yes. Now children, once again we will say the months. Okay children? Yes. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there are 12 months in a year. Okay. Children, do you know there are 7 months which have 31 days and 4 months which have 30 days. And children, February month is a shortest month which has 28 days. But in a leap year, February month has 29 days. Okay. So children, now I will teach you very easy and fun way to remember days in a month. Okay? Children, hold your hand like this. Okay? Now, here what you can see? Upper part, lower part. Upper part, lower part. Upper part, lower part. Upper part. Okay? Upper part means knuckles. What we call knuckles. Okay? So, children, months coming on the upper part has 31 days and months coming on the lower part has 30 days. Okay? So now let's see. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? Children, I will also teach you one rhyme to remember days in a month. Okay? 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31, excepting February, which has 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. Okay, once again we will say 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31, excepting February, which has 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. Okay. Children, now it's an activity time. Yes. Children, who is he? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Children, do you know when does Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday comes? Yes, in the month of October. Yes, in the month of October. That is 2nd of October. Okay. So now I will show you. Okay, children? Now, children, what is this? Yes, this is a calendar. Yes. Now I am going to circle Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday. Okay, in this calendar. So for this we need correct month. Okay, as you know, Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday comes in the month of October. Yes, that is 2nd October. Okay, so now we will see October. Which month is this? January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September, October. Yes, Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday comes in the month of October. That is 2nd October. Second means 2. Here, see. Second means 2. So now I am going to circle this date. Okay. Like this. Yes. Okay. So Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday comes in the month of October. And the date is 2nd to October. Okay, children? All of you understood? So now, what you all are going to do? Yes? Now children, one activity you have to do at home. Ask your mama to give the calendar. Okay? And you have to circle your birth date in the calendar with correct month. Okay, children? Take your mama's help. Okay? Children, let's have a recap. How many months are there in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Which are they? Yes, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes. Now children, what we have learned today? Yes. Months of the year. Months of the year. So you all are going to practice months of the year. Okay. Thank you children. Bye bye. We will meet in the next session. Bye.